Hello friends, this is one of the simple and important topic as far as the safety, health and environment is concerned. That is called as MARG, M-A-R-G. It means Mutual AIDS Response Group. So in some of the regions in Maharashtra, the MARG is formed. That is, there are different groups called it as MARGs are formed in various regions depending on the conditions and depending on the number of industries and MIDCs are there in their vicinity. So what is MARG? A voluntary initiative on developing mutual aid arrangement for effective emergency responses. So this MARG group, that is MARG, formed for the mutual help of the industries for emergency situations. So to handle the emergency situations like fire, like explosion, like chemical reaction spillage, or some other emergencies which may arise in the industrial area or on road or in other areas also. So for handling these types of emergencies, that may be an on-site emergency, that may be an off-site emergency. So we can take help of the expertise persons, expertise industries, or the industries which are having the good facilities for handling these types of emergencies. Suppose some of the industries are having the latest or the fire tender having a latest technology or the fire tender having all the facilities to fight the different types of fire, including the water as a fire extinguisher, the foam as a fire extinguisher, then dry chemical powder as a fire extinguisher, or some other agents like halon as a fire extinguishers. So if the fire tender is having latest remote controlled technologies or robotic technologies or GPS technologies, etc. And if that fire tender is having all these types of facilities which is required to fight the fire emergency, then you can opt for the fire tender. You can ask the help of that particular industry to fight these types of emergency. So how to ask the help to that particular industry? So through this MARG group, that is Mutual Aid Response Group. It means it is a clearly voluntary initiation by that industries that I am the member of this MARG group, so I can provide the help to other industries in case of any type of emergencies. So with the help of that only, you can provide the help, you can ask the help for emergency situations. So this is the initiative of the Association of Industries in Industrial Pockets, a forum to mutually help each others by sharing available resources to tackle the emergencies. Sometimes some industries are having good facilities related to the health. So that may be a latest equipment which can handle the CPR techniques or which can follow the CPR procedures automatically. Some automatic equipments are also available in the market, which is the latest technology equipments related to the health. So you can opt the same equipments or you can use the equipments for the emergency situations. So likewise, there are different facilities or different expertise persons available in specific industries, and you can ask the help for that emergency situations. These industries initiative is promoted by the DISH, that is Directorate of Industrial Safety and Health, which is the regulatory agency in Maharashtra under the Factory Act 1948. So under this Factory Act in the Maharashtra state, this DISH is the regulatory agency who is going to handle these types of emergencies, or who is going to inspect, who is going to monitor all these types of activities which is related to the safety and health. So the objectives of these marks are to identify and utilize the available resources effectively to mitigate emergency effects, minimize loss of life, property and human sufferings, then support the industries, technical expertise on chemical safety, fire prevention and control, then medical facilities, information sharing on hazardous chemicals, then preparation of green book or ready reckoner of industries, then safety training, awareness programs, seminars, etc. Then visual display of safety information, formulate an offset emergency plan, then assist government agencies in case of offset emergencies. So any type of industry, especially when we are talking about the chemical sector, so in all the regions, the chemical regions or the red zone is different one than the other or the normal industries, and that is why the expert persons who are having the experience in the hazardous chemical processes or in the hazardous processes must guide to the other members, must guide in case of emergency situations to the other persons, to the other industries as far as the hazardous chemicals or the hazardous process are involved. So you can arrange the different types of trainings, different types of awareness programs or some seminar, conferences or some meetings, etc., where you can share your views, you can share your knowledge, you can share your expert opinion in that meetings or in that conferences or seminar, so that the awareness regarding the occupational safety and health can be enhanced with the help of this MARC group. MARC comprises of DISH officials, that is Directorate of Industrial Safety and Health, that may be a factory inspector, assistant director, deputy director or director of these DISH offices, then representatives of large scale companies, medium scale companies or small scale companies. So all companies can be participated, can be become a member of this MARC. Then technical experts from the industries. So some industries may have the experts in the chemical sector, some industries may have the experts in the confined space, some industries may have the experts who are dealing with the working at height conditions, some industries may have the different experts who are going to handle the fumes, gases, leakages of the different types of chemicals or the explosive or flammable gases, etc. Then safety professionals. So any person who is having the knowledge, who is having the experience in the safety area can become a safety professional and can become a member of this MARC. Then the members who are dealing with this fire extinguishment points, or who is having the experience in the fire extinguishing media, fire extinguishment, or who is the employee of these fire stations or fire department of the government, semi-government or the private fire brigade team. Then the officials from the local police stations can be a member of this MARC team, because in the emergency situation you have to report to the local police station, then the other offices like DISH and MIDC offices to control that emergency situation as possible. then medical experts from industries and local hospitals. So in case of health issues, in case of the issues which is related to the health, you have to have the expert opinion, expert member from the medical field or the hospital field also. So this is the structure of this mark, that is the experts from the fire department, from the industries, from the dish offices and from the hospitals also. So there are two emergency response center in the Maharashtra, which is located at the Rasaini and at the Mahad. So from this center, you can have the different training programs. You can participate the different training programs, awareness programs, or you can have the guidance from the experts which are available at this emergency response center. And you can go to the DISH website of Maharashtra, that is mahadish.in, and from this Mahadish website you can opt this information which is related to the DISH, related to the safety auditor, related to the competent person, etc. And all these mark members are listed out in the website, which is a published document. So till date there are 191 mark member in the Maharashtra. Thank you.